Hello and welcome to my actually first longer video in this my main channel. In this video I'm gonna be trying to finish the dribble to overhaul dribbling challenge in under 20 minutes. And let's just get into it. Let's see how long it will take. Okay, and the timing will start now. Okay. The first 5 levels were really simple and I got through them without any bigger problems. Level 6 and 7 were pretty cool because they introduced the spinning walls. In level 8 happened something pretty funny. Oh no. Yes. Must be close. And fun fact is that I have actually never even finished this map before. Level 9 and 10 were really simple, but in level 11 I struggled a bit. Level 12 was really fun in my opinion. Level 13 I might have jinxed a bit, but after my jinx, level 13 was actually pretty easy. In the first run of level 14, a pillar just crashed into me. Level 14 was pretty funny. There was pillars that you need to avoid. Level 15 you needed to flick the ball over a wall and catch on the other side. Then came level 16, which was definitely the hardest level so far. You needed to dribble the ball along the wall and then air dribble it and catch it and carry it to the goal. Level 17 was pretty simple. You just needed to make 2 jumps, keeping the ball in control the entire time. In level 18 you needed to avoid pillars, jump over a fence and then flick the ball into the goal between 2 moving pillars. In level 19 you needed to make 2 jumps down and carry the ball to the goal. And in that level I messed up twice pretty badly, but third time's the charm and it worked in this level too. Level 20 was really easy. There was just these really big, slowly moving big wooden walls that you needed to avoid. Level 21 was pretty narrow and curvy path. Level 22 was path that had few hills in it and you go up, then down, then up, then down. Level 23 was first level that I haven't even seen ever before. It was this really narrow path that you could have choose the right or the left side. Level 24 was the first level that I considered to be actually hard. There was these triangles that go right to left to right, and there were like 5 of them. On my third try I got really close to finishing the level, but finishing the level took actually like 3 minutes from me. Level 25 was almost like level 21, but the path was even narrower and it had 2 curves in it. Let's go! But then, level 26, it has had 3 huge gaps and path that was pretty curvy. Only a minute in and I almost finished the level. I think the last gap is actually longer than the 2 first ones, because I never make it, even if I get a pretty cute pop. I can't catch this one. Oh my gosh. Finally. What is even happening here? What is that red thing and what does it do? Then was time for level 27. In level 27 there were these pillars that you need to avoid, and there were these small wooden walls that you have to jump over, and then there were these mysterious red walls that I didn't even know what did they do. What? What just happened? Where did the ball go? Or is here like that red thing that hits the ball? Is that what is happening here? What? I want to see what it does it do. Okay, so the ball can't go through it. I think that is what is happening. So do I have any like safe places? Like, is this safe? Or is it gonna go through here as well? Okay, this is safe place, okay. It's good to know. Now we go. Go please. Yes, so now I finish. Okay, that was not so bad level. At first I had no idea what I was supposed to do in the level 28, but little at a time I began to realize what was I supposed to do. It would be easier if there would be... Wait a minute. Oh, I have done this so much harder to myself. There's a ledge around the other side, that's how I supposed to do this. I will go around this thing, then I will go to this other ledge. Oh my gosh. Now I understand how this is possible. Nice. Go, please. No, oh my gosh. That is so frustrating. I got through this level, but then I just missed the goal. Okay. Quick. Nice. That's good. That's actually really good. Now I won't mess up. Yes, I finally did it. Level 29 was a combination of level 14 and level 22. There were the pillars that go through the entire level sideways, and then there were these hills what were in level 22. Okay. Okay, good. Looking good, looking good. Finally, last level, level 30, was this path that did go in spiral, and you had walls on both sides of you. You needed to make 4 jumps over beams and then tight turn to the finish line. Nice. No, no way. Go. Yes, I did it. 49 minutes, 25 seconds. Okay, let's just get straight to the second try. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and this was the first time I was actually going to try to get this map in under 20 minutes. I was gonna go straight to like level 24, but I wanted to include this funny fail. No, I missed. Come on, please, please, please. No. Okay, now we got extremely big time save. We finished level 24 first try. Okay, what is even happening? I finished level 25 first try also. Two pretty hard levels first try in a row. After level 25 we are almost 3 minutes ahead of our last run. And level 26 took just over half a minute. And level 27, as you can expect, I crushed it. And it took like a minute or so. And level 28, I will not say anything, just watch. No. Okay. Nice, I finally got it. Nice. Nice. There is still a chance. Come on, just go. Okay. No, was that it? Okay, maybe there is not a chance, but maybe next try. No, that was it. I was literally on this level for over 12 minutes. Okay. Okay. Finally. $33 minutes. I'll start over. And 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going. Go, go, go. Good. Huge, huge. Let's go. We got that again. Was that first try actually? Oh no. Yes. Yes. We are 2 minutes ahead of our last run. Nice. Let's go. Nice one. Let's go. Then it's this hard level that lost me the last try. But I'm actually pretty happy that it was this level, and because I would have lost because of the last level as well, that it would have been a little more frustrating. Okay. No way. I got this first try. This side again. Why did I slow much that much? Finally. Okay, we have 2.5 minutes. Do normal double jumps. Nice. Okay, and now you guys can already congratulate me in the comments for completing this pretty hard challenge. What did you say? Did you say we should watch the clip till the end? Okay, sure, we can watch the clip till the end. No way, that's absolutely no way. Okay. That was it. Oh my gosh. Why am I so bad? I had it. Why did I fail? I shouldn't have just done that. 21:43. Are you serious, bro? It's too close. Okay, I may have baited you guys a little bit, but you gotta admit that it was super close. But I'm not done yet. Let's just get into the next run. Okay guys, now I have to make it in this try or I will give up on for now. So I think we are just going. And 3, 2, 1, go! First 10 levels done in 1 minute and 36 seconds. 15 levels done in 4 minutes and 3 seconds. 20 levels done in 6 minutes and 20 seconds. 25 levels done in 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Nice. 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 Okay. This looks good. Yes. Okay. Okay, then we wait. Just a little moment. No! Did I finally make it? Finally! Up, 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 up and right. Okay, nice. Then again right. Okay. It's clean. Okay, we have just under 3 minutes in this last level. We can't fail now, please. Okay, I need to just chill and focus and try my best. No way. Okay, good catch. No. Please. Yes, yes. What happened? I don't know what. I forgot to split slap. It doesn't matter. We made it. Let's go. And please, if you liked the video, please subscribe and like. It took very long time to make. And comment down below what you want to see on this channel. More challenge videos like this or highlight videos like my few before ones, or what? Comment down below. But without anything to say, let's see you in the next video. See ya.